Very good morning, kids. Welcome back in your class LKG. And very good morning, all of you. So, kids, how are you all? All are good? Very good. And have you all drink the milk? And remember to check your nails. Okay? Don't forget to check your nails. If your nails are long and dirty, so just tell to your mom. Okay? So today only you have to check your nails. Okay, kids? And very nice that all are doing very nice work. But only the students which I am announcing the names, only these students are doing the work. Why not others are doing the work? Why it is? Because they all are enjoying the worksheets, they all are sending me the audio video messages. So why other students are not watching? I think you should all watch the videos because you will enjoy the work which I am doing here, and it is good for your child. So I request to all the parents, kindly do watch the videos daily and enjoy these worksheets. I'm not giving any tough worksheet because so many parents are sending me the worksheets and they are doing very nicely. So you should all do this. Do practice of this. Okay? So kids, today is your English class. Okay? And what we are going to do today? We are going to revise the rhymes. We are going to learn one song today, and we are going to do the practice of making small cursive letter F and G. Okay? So first we will start with the rhymes. And the first rhyme is prayer. Okay, and which is our next rhyme? Toys. Come and buy my monkeys made up of gingerbread and sugar horses painted red. If you want to see the clip of this video, so I'm going to make you see. Okay, wait. Watch the video one more time. Come and buy my monkeys made up of okay, you enjoy the same rhyme at YouTube. You just only have to type the smiling girls, then you will get this rhyme. Okay, now what we are going to do, we are going to learn one song today, and the name of the song is Hello Song. Okay, I am also going to give you the link of this song. Okay, so let's do the song. Before starting the song, first I will make you clear the words. Okay, that what you are going to listen. What they will say in first? Every day. Every day means daily. Every day I go to school. Okay, I meet my friends and all we say hello, 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 hello. How are you? How are you? ठीक है, like this the song is this. Okay, now we are going to listen the song. Every day I go to school. I meet my friends. And we all say, hello, hello. How are you? I'm good. How about you? Hello, hello. How are you? I'm good, I'm great. What about you? So this is the song. What they say, we will do one more time. Okay? Every day I go to school. I meet my friends. And we all say, hello, hello. How are you? I'm good, I'm great. How about you? Hello, hello. How are you? I'm good, I'm great. How about you? So this is the song, okay? When we meet someone, when we meet our friends, so what we have to say? How are you? Okay? And then what answer we have to give? What answer we have to give? I am good, I am great, and what about you? Okay? Na, 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 na. Na, 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 every day I go and play. I meet new friends. And we all say, hello, hello. What's your name? Nice to meet you. Do you want to play? Now where they are going? After school they will go for play. Okay, when we'll go for play, then how will we greet the new friends? While we are going for play, we'll meet new friends. है ना, जब हम लोग खेलने जाते हैं तो हम लोग न्यू फ्रेंड से मिलते हैं. तो हम क्या पूछते हैं उनसे? वी डोंट नो द नेम ऑफ द न्यू फ्रेंड, तो वी आस्क व्हाट इज योर नेम, नाइस टू मीट यू. ओके, नाउ वी विल रिवाइज दिस पार्ट अगेन. Every day I go and play. I meet new friends. And we all say, hello, hello. What's your name? Nice to meet you. Do you wanna play? Hello, hello. What's your name? Nice to meet you. Do you wanna play? Okay, so this is up to this song, and if you want to see the clip, so I will make you watch the clip again. Okay, so you will enjoy this better. Every day I go to school. I meet my friends. And we all say, hello, hello. How are you? I'm good, I'm great. What about you? Hello, hello. How are you? I'm good, I'm great. How about you? Na 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 na. every day. I go and play. I meet new friends. And we all say, hello, hello. What is your name? Nice to meet you. Do you wanna play? Hello, hello. Nice to meet you. Yes, definitely I wanna play. You all should play, okay? While you are not going outside these days, so play at your roof. आप छत पे जा सकते हैं खेलने. You can play in your if there is any area nearby your house, so you can play for there. Okay, but you should all play for an hour daily. Okay, kids. So this is the song. I hope you all will enjoy, and you know, and now you learn how to greet others, how to greet with our friends. Okay, kids. Now let's move on to other work. What we are going to do? We are going to learn how to make letter F, okay, and letter G. Okay, kids. So let's start the practice of this with basic steps. So kids, as I told you, today we are going to do the practice of making small cursive letter F and G. Okay, so F says F and G says G, and it is very easy. So first we will do the practice of making F. Okay, F sounds F, like in fruits, fish, fan and frog. Okay, so let's start. Here are following the 5 steps. With the help of these 5 steps, we are able to make letter F. Okay, as we have already learned this stroke, okay, which helps us to make it B. So first we have to, which is the first step? First we have to start from the baseline, and remember F is the letter which makes in 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. Okay, so it start. First we have to go up, okay, and touches the red line. Then in the second step, up, and then we have to go back. We have to go back like we do in B, and then come down, okay, up till red line, blue line. Okay, now in the next step, go up, then go back, then we have to come down, down, down and touch the red line and go little bit up. This tail line will little bit go up. Okay, now in the fourth step, again up, okay, go back, come down, 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 and this tail will move thoda sa curve and go up, up, up and touch here. Okay, and in the last step, up, back, down, then move your cycle and then touch this point, and then a curve. Okay, so these are the basic steps to make letter F. Okay, we will do the practice of same in the notebook, practice of only making letter F. Okay, G we will do in the next class. Okay, so let's start. As I have already shown you the basic steps, first you have to go up, touch the red line, go back down, 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 then take a turn, go inside and curve. Okay, so now we will do the practice of same in the first tracing lines. Okay, let's start from here. Okay, look it carefully. Start from here. Okay, blue line फर्स्ट, जैसे हम बी बनाते हैं वैसे ही आपको पहले फॉलो करनी है स्टेप्स. गो बैक एंड देन डाउन. बी हमारा स्टॉप हो जाता है ब्लू लाइन पर ये वाला जो एफ है वी हैव टू गो टेक टिल रेड लाइन तक आपको टच करना है. टच द रेड लाइन, और फिर उसकी जो टेल है उसको थोड़ा सा कर्व लेंगे और उसको थोड़ा सा बाहर की तरफ घुमाते हुए हम अंदर ले जाएंगे, देन एक स्मॉल कर्व। ओके, फिर से देखो एक बार, अप, फिर गो बैक, टच द रेड लाइन, देन डाउन डाउन डाउन, टच द रेड लाइन, और उसकी टेल को आपने नीचे से थोड़ा सा घुमाया और उसको बाहर की तरफ निकालते हुए हम अंदर की साइड ले गए। ये जो पॉइंट है यहाँ टच किया और इसके बाद इसकी एक टेल निकाल दी। ठीक है, तो ये बन गया आपका एफ। फिर से ट्राई करिए एक बार। पहले ऊपर जाएंगे, टच द रेड लाइन, देन डाउन 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 डाउन, देन स्टॉप। ओके, फिर इसकी जो स्टैंडिंग लाइन को थोड़ा सा बाहर की तरफ घुमाते हुए अंदर, और फिर एक कर्व। ओके, नाउ वी विल डू द प्रैक्टिस इन दिस लाइन। ट्रेसिंग लाइन्स एक बार और मैं फिनिश कर दूं आपके लिए। यहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे, अप, गो बैक, देन डाउन 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 डाउन, फिर उसको थोड़ा सा बाहर की साइड निकाल के अंदर, और फिर एक कर्व। ओके, लास्ट वन, डाउन, रेड लाइन तक लाएंगे, देन गो आउटसाइड, देन कर्व। ओके, नाउ वी विल डू द प्रैक्टिस ऑफ सेम in these dots without tracing lines. Okay, let's start from here. Okay, go up, stop. Okay, then touch the red line, then come down 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 till red line. Okay, then this tail little bit, इसको हम बाहर की साइड हमने निकाला और अंदर, and then curve. Okay, do the practice again. Go up, back, down, stop, curve, inside, and then curve. Okay, again we will do the practice. Up, back, touch the red line, इसको बाहर की तरफ थोड़ा घुमाया पेंसिल को, एंड देन कर्व। ओके, वन मोर टाइम। पहले ऊपर जाके रेड लाइन तक टच किया, फिर पीछे घुमाया पेंसिल को, वेट लिटिल बिट, फिर से देखते हैं एक बार। अप, टच द रेड लाइन, देन कम डाउन, फिर थोड़ा सा पेंसिल को घुमाया आपने, फिर अंदर की साइड ले जाके और एक कर्व। ओके, फिर से ट्राई करेंगे एक बार। अप, डाउन, कर्व। ठीक है, फिर से एक बार देखिए। अप, बैक, डाउन, पूरा नीचे तक, देन बाहर की साइड ले जाते हुए टच, देन कर्व। ओके, वन मोर टाइम। लुक एट केयरफुली, गो अप, डाउन, बाहर की साइड पेंसिल को ले जाते हुए, एंड देन कर्व। लाइक दिस यू हैव टू डू द practice of making F on one page. Okay, up, go back, down, नीचे आए, फिर बाहर की साइड ले जाते हुए टच और देन कर्व। लास्ट, like this you have to do the practice of making F on a full page. Okay kids, so kids, here I have another worksheet for you all for practice. Okay, so first look at the worksheet carefully. Okay, now we will start doing the worksheet. Okay, so What is the first question? Write the first letter of the picture. Okay, we have to write the first initial letter of the picture from which the picture starts. Okay, so as you all know, very known picture is this A. A for an apple. Now you all know how to make A go up, down, stop, come back on the same line, up, down and curve. Now this one is the new picture, brinjal. Brinjal sounds B. Okay, so B says B as in bat, ball, basket and in brinjal also. Okay, so B for brinjal, down. Lines a little bit not proper, but you will make but you have to make proper B. Okay, so B for brinjal. Now the next, this is also the new picture, clock. Okay, so clocks means C. C says K as in cat, cake, cup and in clock. So up, down and K. C says K as in clock. Now what are these? These are dots, as D says D as in D. So you all know how to make D go up, down and curve. Now E. Okay, E for an egg. So it is very easy, go up, down and curve. And what is this? Fan. F for fan. So just now we have learned how to make F. Start from the baseline, go up, back, down, curve and this. Okay. So kids, we have finished our first question, that first letter of the picture. Now come to the next. In the next question, what you have to do, you have to match the letters E and F with their coordinates. It means that you have to match the letter E and F with the other E and F which are usually present in the books. Like here, this is the capital E, okay, uppercase. This is the small e, lowercase. Okay, usually these type of E present in the books. Okay, this is capital F, uppercase. This is small f, lowercase. Okay kids, so these type of F are usually present in the books. Now move on to the worksheet. So first this is E. Okay, now we have to match this E with other E's. Okay, like this is E and is this E? No. This is E? Yes. So match this E with this. Okay, now where is other E? This is capital E. Okay, so with the second match it. Okay, now this is F. Now match with other F, capital F. Okay, capital F, and this is small f. Okay kids, so we have finished our two questions. Now come to the next. Now the third question is, you have to circle the letters E and F and color them. Okay, so here are some small cursive letters are there. Out of them we have to identify the E and F and then circle them. Okay, so let's start from the first one. This is F. So circle it. Is this F? No. Is this F? No. Is this F? Yes. Is this? No. Is this? No. Is this? Yes. Okay, now let's find out the other one, E. Is this E? No, this is C. Is this E? Yes. Is this? No. Is this? Yes. And is this? Yes. So we have identified the letters E and F. Okay, now I am going to color these circles. So I have done the F with yellow and E with red color. Okay, so try this worksheet at home and enjoy the practice. Okay kids. So kids, we have done the practice of letter F today. Okay, G we will make in the next class, and this is your homework also for today. You have to do the practice of making letter F, one page in your English notebook. Okay, and try this worksheet also at home, practice worksheet. Okay, identification is also there of letter E and F. Enjoy these homeworks at home. And for today's class, up to this much only. Okay, we'll see you again tomorrow with some another subject. Till then everyone, take care of yourself, check your nails, stay safe and stay at home. Bye bye bachcho.